Hi, what is up, guys? And today we're going to be doing an unpacking. We're going to open a package, obviously, and reviewing. So today is going to be we're going to be open the ps4 with the special bundle, The Last of Us Remastered, and maybe you all have the you have this played this game already, and I heard that this version has the other DLC from the PS3. So I haven't played it yet. So this is a good time to play it. So we're going to be opening this box. It's a piece of cake. There should be no problem. And all that we need to do is be patient and use some violence. So we can open gently, cutting the tape, and it's open. We open the box, and this is the end of the video. I'm joking. No. I'm gonna save the box to just in case. We just take this off. Now the PS4 is naked. Or this, I think this is the actual box of the console. That was just a cover. So I guess we need to use violence against. Oh! Remember, guys, always use patience, or it's not going to work if you're all desperate. So this one has the special bundle of Last of Us, the game already, everything. Oh man, holy! Wait, what is this? No, they lied to me. Yeah. Now I'm joking that the game is not the game. So we have here already the controller. Well, let me show you. This is like this. It's a very small place. So we have this thing. I don't think this is the game. I haven't seen the game yet. This is some stuff that you need to read that most of you don't read. Okay, let's review the controller. Let's review the controller, and wow, this is something else. Wow, this really feels like makes you feel like you are already in the future. So this is nice detailed and very comfortable. You have the little plastic here. Man, I feel like I'm already in the future. So this is a conversion with the PS3 and the PS4 in black. I'm gonna later buy the white one. It's really nice. So, well, this controller has two extra buttons here. One said share, and the other one said option. And this little white thing, I don't know yet. So, and this one, so I think you can plug the headset like the Xbox. Well, this is so cool so far. So that was the controller. This is not the DualShock, yes. I don't know what's the name of this one. This one said DualShock 3 six axis. So I haven't seen the game yet. So maybe they scam, maybe they lie. Oh, look at this. We have a headset. They give you the headset. Oh, I think that is. I'm gonna use it for my phone. Now I think that this one you can plug it to your here. Yeah, the headset. You plug it here. You see this? And I think that you can play with all the fools over there. The headset is just one. I want two. Look, blue and black. This look really nice. And they're not free. And this one is the power cord. It's really thin. It's like it's just a power cord, you know. I don't know. I haven't seen the game yet, so let's keep looking. This is the power cord for the controller, the USB. And this one is a little more thin than the PS3. Oh man. Yes. Oh, this is a button too. The little thing is here. I don't know for this is what. For this is what? What? This is what? Okay. What else? There's no game here, or this is just a commercial. This is the. Oh my God! They give a HDMI. I don't remember for the PS3 that they give you HDMI. Look at this. It's a HDMI, right? Yes. It's a HDMI from Sony PlayStation. This is really nice. I didn't know that. So I have a lot of HDMI cables. I just bought last week. And finally, not the game yet. Where's the game? Oh my God. Maybe there's no game. Maybe it was a joke. And finally, the ps4 itself. Look at this. Like you saw in TV. It's more like squarey, more fancy. I don't know. It's so nice. It's not heavy at all. And we have a bunch of plugins. Well, I think there's the same one. This PlayStation reminds me the PS2, like the slim that you can open from here, and yeah, well, next generation. So I think I had it wrong. There's no game. Where's the game? Where's my game? Epic fail. Where's the cat? Jesus Christ. Maybe I need to read first. There's no game. What is this? It says, oh, I think you have to download it. Oh, I forgot that I'm in the future. They don't give you the actual disc. So this is the game actually. This is the game in paper. And we have here some stuff to read. The redemption instruction. What is this? Get 500 points in $5 value. So they give me $5. What the heck? I want $10. And these are the instructions and all that shit that you don't read at all. Or I'm the guy that I don't read papers and stuff. So let's play already. So that was the end of the opening box today. I just make a mess here. And by the way, my wife doesn't know that I bought the system, so maybe I might be returning to the store. See you in the next one. The gameplays for the next generation. I'm still playing PS3 games and uploading videos, so stay tuned, guys. See you in the latest.